Hey guys, I'm Kamakuri and this Julia. So we're gonna fly to Oxnard, and she's flying the helicopter before, but now I'm trying to bring Julia to the airplane. So let's drop it. So we're gonna start the engine. Checklist already done. Okay, Julia, we are flying now. During the ground, we don't touch this, we only use the foot. Try to kick left, kick your left pedal. Try, kick it, full. Now the airplane turning, see?
So go hard.
Yeah, so right turn, we want to follow the yellow line there. Kick right, kick right, yes. Now follow the yellow line here, kick left, boom. Okay, that's what we call, we're taxiing the airplane, we're using the rudder. Alright, you want to call the ground now?
Just...
Yep.
Is it working? Can you hear me? Nice ground, Cessna 5298 at Alpha 2.
With information, Sierra. Okay, it is Juliet, right? We are using Sierra at Alpha 2 request taxi. Push this.
Point 2?
Yep.
The nice ground, Cessna 5298, Juliet at Alpha 2. Request taxi with information.
Sierra.
Cessna 5398 Juliet, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left taxi via Alpha Romeo.
34 left Alpha Romeo, 5998 Juliet. That's it. Alright, so focus on your foot. Which one we're gonna turn? It's turning to the right. So we...
fully?
Yeah, follow the yellow line. Do you see the yellow line there? Okay, start to kick right. Just adjust that to follow. Kick full.
November 2410 Echo Van Nuys ground, remain on the right.
Good, see? The airplane turning now. Oh. Alright, just try to follow that.
November 98 Juliet, remain on the right side of the taxiway for opposite direction, Cessna, and continue your taxi.
We have traffic inside right on the taxiway, 98 Juliet. Okay, they say that we have to maintain on the right taxiway because there's traffic coming from that opposite direction. We supposedly taxi following the yellow line all the time, because that yellow line will guarantee you will not hit anything.
November 10 Echo, affirmative, you're going to remain on the right side of the taxiway, and they're going to remain on their right side of the taxiway to pass each other.
Gotcha. I just don't have it in sight yet. That's... I want to glide on it. Thanks.
And ground 5908 Juliet is going to stop in front of the counter waiting for the traffic passing.
And on November 908 Juliet, roger, that's fine, just give way.
So this is like a courtesy. We better wait because the wind is so strong. We never know what kind of pilot is there. So instead of we're like moving together, just take right side here and stop. You see the yoke is moving by itself. You see this? Because of the wind, that's why we have to hold like this. Alright, traffic is passing now. And kick left rudder.
Oh, we go.
You have to go back to the yellow line, right? The only thing why I keep holding this yoke because of the wind. You have shit, because
What does it do, this thing?
this is your power. Parking brake.
Merry Christmas, ground exit jet 525 at NetJets taxi with Sierra.
Is it jet 525, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Bravo, Romeo.
Bravo, Romeo 34 left, exit jet 525.
Okay, remember when takeoff, you put your hand here on the right. Good. Your hand, another hand here. Set full power. Okay, check the airspeed. When the needle at 60, you start pull, rotate, pull, try to pull like 1 inch pull. Good, something like that. Okay, and you want to keep this level, not moving left, not moving right, something like that.
Oh. Push this down.
Yep.
And pull until it hits 60.
317 kilo, 1310, 13, that's 26.
Pull until it hits 60.
Yeah, 60. So we pull all the way in like that.
You'll do with me.
Yeah, we do it together. Don't worry. Okay. From Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 528 Juliet, we are at Romeo 34 left, request a left crossing departure to Ox North, please.
Cessna 529 Juliet, Van Nuys Tower, just stand by, traffic planning. Copy, holding short of 34 left. That's 908 Juliet, running 1, question rate 34 left, clear for takeoff, left cross approved.
34 left, clear for takeoff, Cessna 529 Juliet. Alright, one hand is here.
And was there another V4 aircraft waiting for departure?
Runway is clear.
Alright, if you just tried calling the Jakarta static, unreadable.
Ready? All ready, Joe?
Yeah, ready.
Alright, set max power, boom. Engine instrumental green.
Up.
Yep, 60. 60, wait, yep, pull. There you go, you're flying. One hand, put your hand there. Alright, nose, little bit low, like 2 finger. Put your finger here, like 2 finger. So between the horizon and you must be 2 fingers. You're flying now, Julia.
Are you kidding me?
Ah, you're flying. Relax, alright? Just focus.
I'm excited.
Put it 2 finger.
908 traffic ahead into your left, helicopter turn northbound, turn left crosswind.
Left crossing now, and we have the helicopter inside 908 Juliet.
Let's get 548, running 34 left, clear for takeoff. Wind 33017, gust 23. Clear for takeoff, 34 left, jet 548.
That's a helicopter.
Hammer.
Alright, we're climbing. So climbing, the trick is 2 finger here. You put your finger here, 2 finger here. Like that, see? So the horizon and the dashboard must be 2 finger, and you will get 80 knots roughly. Alright, that's it, and put your hand always to the throttle. Make sure you're not left or right, so enjoy. I'm not flying, I'm just messenger, you fly. So you go that's it, Santa Susana Pass. You go that way, okay? We're gonna climb 2,500 at the moment. You see the valley? You see that valley? Fly, heading that valley.
And he just did 525.
Okay, and not that much speed, just 2 fingers. There you go.
34 left at Romeo and
That's it, you're flying.
Alright, we'll cross 34 left and hold on the other side, exit jet 525. Thanks, sir.
Is that too high? You cannot see that, right? So put the nose little down, like a 2 finger. That's it.
I can see right now.
Yeah, so maintain this.
Jet 548, contact Soka departure on 134.2, good day.
It's little high again.
34.2 for flight jet 548, we'll see you now. Get to 695 Van Nuys Tower, you'll be Mexico northbound, waiting for your release. Next 695.
Nose down. Slowly put the nose down, something like that. Then you can see the valley, right? Okay, so when the airplane has a tendency to going up, so there is something to do with this trim. So you put the nose a little down, just doing that, and then you release your hand from this. Then you see the airplane is moving itself because you lock it with this. We call that a trim. So the function of the trim is to reduce your workload. You don't have to push all the time. Local approach 5908 Juliet with you with request.
The aircraft calling with VFR request. Say your call sign and request.
Cessna 172/Alpha 52908 Juliet. We are request flight following the Van Nuys 4500. We're calling you on the Oxnard 4500, sir.
908 Juliet, ident.
Ident 5908 Juliet.
That's a 908 Juliet, squawk 0215.
0215, 908 Juliet.
That's a 908 Juliet, your radar contact 10 miles west of Van Nuys and traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile, Super King Air 5000.
Contact 908 Juliet.
What's 1520 Burbank, 9 o'clock, 10 miles.
Inside 1520.
What's 1520, your cleared RNAV visual, runway 33 Burbank.
RNAV visual 33, 1520.
Okay, so we're going to Oxnard, and there is a very nice restaurant at Oxnard. It's near to the Channel Island Harbor. So we're going there. Oxnard is about like 23 miles from now. With the ground speed 107 knots, it's about 13 minutes we're gonna land there. And below us is the Gina Lake. Gina Lake, yeah.
What's 1520, contact Burbank Tower 118.7.
Tower Alpha 1520.
At 340, Van Nuys 11 o'clock, 10 miles.
Field flight, exit 340.
At 340, clear visual approach, runway 34 left.
Let's fly. Fly.
Visual 34,
Alright, you have control. You say I have control.
I have control.
Alright, you have control. So you see that way? The airport? Fly that airport, okay? I want you to maintain 4,500. How to maintain that? Put your forefinger here. Four. No, so we call that a cruising. So cruising is about 4 feet.
Okay.
Okay?
The
Good.
horizon, yeah?
Horizon, good.
4746, 4746. That's 908 Juliet, contact Los Angeles Center 135.5.
35.5, Mary Juliet.
J867.
Wow, Los Angeles Center, weird. Los Angeles Center, 5908 Juliet, 4500.
Skyhawk 5298 Juliet, LA Center, the Oxford altimeter, 278. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Merry Christmas, sir.
Christmas.
Alright, you fly, you see, like 12 o'clock, there's one airport, and the other way, farther there, near the coast, another airport, that's Oxnard. You see the airport in front of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Camarillo.
Bravo, connect LA Center.
Or that, there's another airport, like, little left, that's Oxnard. Stop descending.
Outward, right?
Up. You see the airport over there?
I know.
Yeah, that's Oxnard, yeah.
Star King 222, come to reattempt LA Center 126.52, good day.
12652, good day, Falcon 222.
Number 98 Juliet, you're descending below my radar coverage. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, presumes approved. Good day.
Good day, 5908 Juliet. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Shuttle 5864, connect LA Center 126.52. Merry Christmas.
2652, Air Shuttle left 5864.
Opposite 769, flighting 315, fly maintain.
Camarillo Tower, 5298 Juliet, 3500 descending, request transition to Oxnard.
November 5798 Juliet, Camarillo Tower, verify you want transition to Oxnard?
Affirmative, we are descending 3500, transition to Oxnard.
November 98 Juliet, transition approved, Camarillo altimeter 2978, contact Oxnard Tower 134.905.
134.905, Merry Christmas, Niner Juliet.
Merry Christmas.
Oxnard Tower, 5-908 Juliet, information Lima inbound. We have a transition from Canarias.
Cessna 5298 Juliet, Oxnard Tower, good afternoon. Continue straight in, runway 25, continue descent.
Continue descent, straight in 25, 908 Juliet.
Cessna 908 Juliet, did you want a full stop or touch and go?
Full stop this time.
Cessna 908 Juliet, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 25, up to 908 Juliet. You see the runway? Beautiful, isn't it? Boom. Wind correction angle, Joe. Now heading should be 27. Yeah, 260 or 270. And you want to trim for descending 600 feet per minute. And while watch the localizer is always must be centered. 500, especially when you're 5 minutes to go, right? Is the correct heading. There will be a little low. Just pitch up, 200 to go. Minimum. Wind check.
270 at 18, gust 26.
Wow, 26 knots. Woohoo! So with heavy wind like this, Joe, add power, 70 knots all the time. Center line. Always keep center line. See how the wind playing us, Joe? And with the power. Be patient. There you go. Center line. Super straight. Hit the wind like crazy. Got it, Joe? Yep.
Cessna 908 Juliet, left to Charlie, contact ground point 9er.
Charlie, ground point 908 Juliet. Say again, Joe? So there you go, Joe. The wind is really strong, 26 knot gusty, 18 to 26. Wow. And you have to maintain above the runway as long as possible. Just be patient. Oxnard ground, Cessna 52908 Juliet. We are at Charlie, taxi to Golden West.
Cessna 5298 Juliet, Oxnard ground. You came in broken. Where do you want to go?
Oh, Golden West, 900 Juliet.
That's an 89 Juliet. Correction, 908 Juliet. Taxi Golden West via Foxtrot.
Taxi Golden West via Foxtrot, 908 Juliet. How do you feel? Ah, you took off. No, you did by yourself. I did not do anything. Really?